Watch me. Flip. Watch me. No, no. Watch me flip. Flip. Watch me. No, no. This feels weird. What the fuck? I just had it. I hate this thing. Where did you go? I literally just fucking had the bag. Let's see the shit. Shit. Where is Le Pouce? Le Pouce! Le Pouce! Le Pouce! Where is Le Pouce? Oh, where is Le Pouce? Le Pouce! Le Pouce! Where is Le Pouce? Come hither, Pouce Pouce. I don't know where it is.
No, the driver sees it. I know he's peeking in the rearview mirror. He says nothing, trying to ignore it. It's fucking boring. I'm quietly observing. I'm saying nothing.
Can you hear that? Can it crunch? It's like putting rock candy on my skin. Oh, this sealed the wig in too. I can't move my mouth. I probably should have actually cut this so I can speak, but I don't know. But I'm really thirsty and can't open my mouth wide enough to drink this water. And it's hot. Okay.
Baby girl might have a problem. Piss me off, I'll turn into a goblin. Beast on the drop, coming sweet for the guap. Kill the beat from the top, then I eat when it rocks. Cause I'm a motherfucking weirdo. Yeah, cause I'm a motherfucking weirdo. Yeah, cause I'm a motherfucking weirdo. Lex Lu killing me, you fucking superhero. Yeah, cause I'm a motherfucking weirdo. Yeah, cause I'm a motherfucking weirdo. Yeah, cause I'm a motherfucking weirdo. Lex Lu killing me, you fucking superhero.
Fucking weirdo, fucking weirdo. Fucking weirdo, fucking weirdo.
So what?
I'm seriously tired. And I feel like I'm wasting time. The time. I am wasting time. All the time. This stuff is literally worse than latex. It's not at all coming off. I don't know if you can see it when you zoom in. Like, you see, if it crunches, it's not. Ow, fuck. Oh my god. I feel like it just literally waxed my hair. The problem is it's attached to my hair and the wig, so this is not coming off at all. And I can't rip it or else it'll rip out my regular hair. Oh, nope. Fuck. Alright. Maybe if I dab it with water. Sort of. I gotta use a lot of water. Yeah, I don't think this is something I'm gonna keep using. Oh, scratch it off? Oh no. Alright, well, RIP to life right now. Okay. Alright, it is time to take this off Because it's so late and I have work in the morning. Oh my goodness, darling. I'm hot. Okay. Okay, nope. I forgot how hard this is to pull this off. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh, I glue this on good. It's pulling out my soul. Ah, fuck. That hurt. Oh. Ah. That works. Oh. I feel like this looks like a costume too. Like an owl or something. I don't know. I don't know what you would want to call this. I call it a hot mess. You can see the pads on the inside. Can it spit back? It does. And it's stuck. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well. See you later.